Hey, it's Lenny QK, and I like to play, especially over at Disneyland. So join me for some interesting news about 8 rides closing in January. Disneyland is closing 8, possibly 9 rides in the first month of 2026. With many people calming down after the holidays, travel to Disneyland traditionally slows significantly during this month, and this becomes the refurbishment season. Number 1 ride closing is Grizzly River Run over in DCA. This ride will be closed from January 5th with no reopening date decided just yet, since it's typically in the low 40s and 50s at night during this time of the year. It's probably a good time to save water and refurbish. Number 2, Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind. This ride will be closed from January 5th until the 22nd. Please be aware that all dates are subject to change without any notice, and check the Disneyland app for the most accurate dates. Number 3 is the Incredicoaster. This ride is going to be closed for about a month from January 5th until February 6th. And since this is one of the most popular thrill rides in the entire resort, double and triple check the website, especially if you plan to come in the beginning of February. Number 4, the Haunted Mansion. This ride will be closed January 12th through the 22nd. Say farewell to our holiday enthusiast friend Jack Skellington as he retreats back to Halloween Town. The original Haunted Mansion will return at the end of the month. Number 5, the Mark Twain Riverboat. Luckily, this will be closed for a short time, January 12th through the 15th, so we won't be missing the beautiful scenery of the rivers of America for too long. Number 6, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. This ride will be closed on January 20th, and although no opening date is listed, it will most likely open before the next busy holiday, President's Day / ski weekend. Number 7, It's a Small World. This ride will be closed from January 26th with no opening date listed. So for anyone who missed the It's a Small World holiday ride, you still have time. The changeover typically lasts a couple weeks. So also this might be ready by mid-February. Number 8, the Sailing Ship Columbia. And this will be closed January 26th through the 29th. And this short closure and the Mark Twain's short closure will not affect the Fantasmic show that happens at night, because during January it's only going to run Friday, Saturday, and Sundays beginning the 5th. Now, possibly our 9th closure will be Monsters, Inc. Mike and Sully to the Rescue. All we know is that it will be closing permanently in early 2026. So just in case it's January or even February, if you can make it, get your rides in now. And this is closing so that we can start the construction for the new Avatar-themed land that will take over its place. And this says construction starts late 2026. We also have current construction right now happening on the brand new rides over in Avengers Campus. We have the, what is it called? The Avengers Infinity Defense and the Stark Flight Lab ride. So here is what they look like, and they are in the expansion of Avengers Campus. So because that's all blocked off and being built, there's a current closure of the pathway between Avengers Campus and Cars Land, and the Service Animal Relief area is now moved over into Cars Land near Sargis and Fillmore's. Well, everyone, stay tuned for more tips for your next park day, and I'm Lenny QK, and I like to play over in Disneyland. So thank you so much for watching, and remember to be a kind human. Okay, bye. Thank you.